Today, we're excited to give all these users even more of what they love with a new iPad Air. And here it is.
I don't dance, I just float. Float on my float on just float.
Some Air users would prefer an even larger display for more room to work, learn, and play. So, inspired by iPad Pro, where about half the users choose a larger screen, we created a 13-inch model of the new iPad Air as well. We've also redesigned the iPad Air to put the front-facing camera on the landscape edge. And it features Center Stage, which uses machine learning to automatically keep everyone in the field of view. The new Air comes in 4 finishes, a new blue and a new purple, as well as a beautiful starlight and space gray. We're stepping up performance in a big way with the incredibly fast M2. And with M2 under the hood, the new Air supports Apple Pencil Hover for greater precision, letting you preview your mark before you make it. So that's the new iPad Air, now available in 11-inch and 13-inch models, powered by the incredible M2 chip and featuring a landscape front camera and faster Wi-Fi.
Both models feature double the starting storage, which is now 128 gigabytes. We've also expanded the number of storage options by adding 512 and 1 terabyte. And even with all these upgrades, we're thrilled that the new 11-inch Air still starts at just $599. And the 13-inch Air is just $799. You can order the new Air today, and it'll be available next week.